Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles without baking powder or baking soda. Many traditional waffle recipes rely on these leavening agents for their fluffy texture. But what if you don't have them, or prefer an alternative? Don't worry, you can still achieve delicious results. We'll explore two effective methods to create light and airy waffles using common ingredients. One excellent way to add lift is by using whipped egg whites. By separating the eggs and beating the whites until they form stiff peaks, you create a delicate foam. This foam carries air into your batter, resulting in a lighter, crispier waffle. Remember to fold them in gently to maintain that airy structure. Another fantastic option is using yeast. Yeast-leavened waffles offer a unique, slightly tangy flavor and a wonderfully chewy interior with a crispy exterior. This method usually involves preparing the batter the night before, allowing the yeast to work its magic overnight. The fermentation process creates carbon dioxide, giving your waffles their rise. So which method is better? If you're seeking a quick, light, and very crispy waffle, whipped egg whites are an excellent choice. For those who appreciate a chewier texture and a more complex, yeasty flavor, the overnight yeast method is superior. Both deliver delicious results without baking powder or baking soda. For more details on both methods, check the description below. You'll also find a link to some fantastic darn tough socks there, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.